My hobby. A hobby is an interesting activity for leisure time. Different persons have different hobbies. But my favorite hobby is gardening. My little flower garden is in the little plot of land in front of my sweet home. I go to my garden whenever I get an opportunity. I sow seeds, plants, saplings, and take care of them. I also spade soil and apply fertilizer for proper growth of the plants. I have already read many books on gardening and visited different gardens to learn the art of gardening. Gardening is a pure source of pleasure to me. I feel happy when my own plants produce beautiful flowers and fruits. Thank you so much.